So I just wanted to do a real quick video talking about wind and wind direction and which ways to fish and where to fish when it's windy. I know it's kind of dark. The sun's just starting to go down, but I like fishing in the wind. The wind is good to fish in, but there's some things you want to do when you're fishing in the wind. And the first thing is, I like to fish into the wind, which means I want to go in the opposite of the direction of the way the wind is going, because I want my lure going with the direction of the wind. So on this side, you got the wind coming in to the point. I'm not going to want to come this way. I'm going to want to cast that way, so my bait's coming with the flow of the waves, because all those particles will be coming this way, and the fish will be primarily positioned with their heads that way, waiting for bait to come this way. So they're going to be positioned that way, facing that way. I want my bait to come to them. So I'm casting up to the point against the wind, but I'm bringing my bait with the wind, and it's coming right into that point. In an ideal situation, there will be a fish positioned right there waiting for some bait to come across. It came up right at the boat and ate it. It's a little bitty one, but it just goes to show these fish are going to be, you know, getting in this wind. They're going to be hungry. They're going to be chasing food, and it's a great place to try. I mean, we can't always fish in perfect conditions. A lot of times it's windy, so make sure you do not pass up the windy points and stuff when, you know, just use that wind as your friend. And you know, that's a little pretty cliche to say, but the wind is your friend. Unless it sinks your boat, then it's not your friend. So you know, make sure you check out that wind, check out the windy points, and see if you can't catch some fish.